Hey Roses, I got some new goodies. You want to see what's in this box? Stay tuned.
Wanna be free, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally.
Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm unboxing a few things that I've received and will be using very soon. So if you don't want to miss me using the things in this box here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe now, hit the notification bell. That way you don't have to worry about missing anything. Okay, so I got some more goodies from Product Junkie Naturals, and if you're new to my channel, Product Junkie Naturals is a black-owned business that I support, and I'm an ambassador for, and I'm part of the VIP program that they have. So we have a mix of things. So because of that, I get several things depending on if I place an order, if it's some of the things I received due to my ambassador role, or some of the things I receive because I'm part of the VIP program that I paid to be part of. That's the thing. If you're really supporting black-owned businesses, don't just look for free things, actually support them too. Anyway, so let me show you what I got. Right here I have my Black Friday order. Okay, so first off here we have the Product Junkie Naturals, of course, a pumpkin and caramel deep conditioner, and I have two. Bet you're wondering why I have two. Because I'll be giving away one of them. I may possibly do it towards the end of this video. Stay tuned, stay and watch a full video, and you'll find out. So one of these will be going to someone who subscribed to me. So anyway, about this pumpkin and caramel deep conditioner, as soon as she came out with it, I was like, I have to get it. It's a deep conditioner #1, and I have so many other products from Product Junkie Naturals that I have tried, and I love them all. Now, if you want to go ahead and brush up on what I actually have already tried from Product Junkie Naturals, make sure you check out the playlist for Product Junkie Naturals, also included in my channel, and I'll include a link in the description box. So, with this particular product here, of course it has pumpkins in it, and let me just read you a little bit about it. It says, this is one sweet hair treat. Pumpkin helps to strengthen and fortify strands naturally, while caramel softens, adds shine, and soothes cuticles to minimize frizz. I'll be using this very, very soon. I'll smell it when I try it. So again, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so two of those. I also ordered the FROLICIOUS KINK drink. I will be trying this for the first time, but I've heard so many great things about this, so I had to order it. The directions says spray liberally on dry or damp hair. Do not rinse out, style as desired. And I've heard this is a really great product for low porosity hair, and I have low porosity hair. A few of the ingredients: it has water, it has castor oil, it has Kalahari seed oil, agave nectar. Just wonderful things that this hair of mine needs. So I ordered one of those. Other thing I ordered was jojoba oil. Now, as long as I've been natural, I've never ordered jojoba oil, and of course I had to do a Product Junkie Natural. So this is jojoba oil infused with rosemary and fenugreek. That's nothing but goodness in this bottle. This is a 4-ounce bottle, and it has the dropper, so you can drop it exactly where you want it to be concentrated on your scalp. So, okay. Now in this box here, these are the items I got because I'm part of the VIP program. In the VIP program, you pay a certain amount yearly, and it allows you to be the first to try new products, give opinions on products, and also you get soaps. Certain amount of soaps throughout the year that you get to try first before anybody else. So it's pretty nice. So speaking of soaps, let me open these now. I wonder if this is some sort of melon. Y'all, this smells like lemon lime to me. Yes, lemon and lime. And it is green and yellow, so that may be it. That smells good. Okay, so this one. I'm almost done with my oatmeal soap. I think it's oatmeal and goat's milk, if I'm not mistaken, but it was one of my soaps I got in my VIP box before. And I'm using that now. Ooh, this has like a little swirl pattern to it. You can see a little bit there. There we go. This is like a mauve and beige color swirl. I almost smell like raspberries. Yeah, some sort of berry. Shoot, I don't care. They both smell good. So, these are the two soaps I got for this particular bar soaps I got for this particular VIP box. And I have two other, it looks like, ooh. So this is from the Bath and Body Shop, which is part of Product Junkie Naturals. Check it out because that's what you'll see, all the skin and you know, face, you know, soaps and things like that are part of that. It's not just hair products. We have things for the skin too, so the whole body. This is the Hibiscus Guava Fresca body lotion. And this here is the Hibiscus Guava Fresca hair and body oil. I already know. I already know this smells good. Let me get this open. Let me. Okay, so this is the oil. I'm going to be gentle because I don't want to spill it. Oh, this smells good, y'all. So when I take my shower, I'll be using my bar soap, of course. Maybe not this one, maybe the other one that I'm finishing. Then, you know, getting out the shower, you gotta lotion up and oil up. Make sure your skin is fully moisturized and locking in the hydration you just received, so you don't be out here ashy in these streets. You don't want that. Okay. Even though this is the same scent, I want to smell this one too. Let's go ahead and check out the consistency. Nice and smooth. Smells good. It's a light scent. It's not overbearing whatsoever. It's just nice and light, and you can smell the hibiscus, the guava, and the fresca actually, but it's a light scent. This is wonderful. Wonderful scent to put on right before you go to bed. Smell all good and everything, and yeah. So anyway, while I'm opening up things, let's go ahead and smell this jojoba oil. Y'all, she has this package so well. And we have, what are these called? Little peanuts or whatever. And let me tell you, the box, that was packed to the rim with stuff too. Packing wonderful. None of my products moved anywhere during shipping. Okay, I can smell rosemary. Okay. I smell that rosemary. Not strong. It's a good size bottle. This will last me for a while. Again, this is 4 ounces right here. And while I'm opening things, I'll open up just one of these. Ooh. It smells good. I smell the pumpkin. This smells just like this fall season. And the color, that is the color. Nice and thick. And I won't put it on my hand or anything yet because I'll be doing that in the next video. Because like I said, I need to wash my hair. This is the deep conditioner I'll be using for this wash day. So, if you want a chance to win one of these, tell me what I said in this video in regards to what am I part of, and what do I do for Product Junkie Naturals. What am I part of, and what do I do for Product Junkie Naturals? Three things I mentioned. And subscribe. No private accounts at all, and do not mention at all in your comments that this is a giveaway. This is only for the people who are actually watching. I'll be announcing within the next week who won. So other than that, roses, make sure you subscribe like I said before. That's the only way to become a rose, and I assume you already are a rose, so that's why I'm just calling you that ahead of time. And when I make that announcement on who won this particular giveaway, it will only be on YouTube. So again, make sure you have subscribed, you hit the notification bell. That's the only way you know, and do not mention in the comments whatsoever this is a giveaway. So let me know, and I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.